So hi everyone, this is the final video that we're talking about, where we'll just create the token using JS, and then at the end we'll be able to create a liquidity pool and just launch the token. But right now we'll be using DevNet, so I'll just show you how we do it. So basically, this is what your code should look like. You'll have this various scripts with you. What you can see is the constant, so that's what the token will be called at the end. So I just decided to call it test token. So first things first, you need to create your key pair, and for that, because I've already done it, so it already has my key pair in it. But for you to do it, you just need to run just a line of code to do it, which is sorry. For the create key pair.ts, you just need to run npx srun create key pair.ts. I've already created mine, so it might get an error, but let's try it still. It takes a minute to create your key pair, but essentially it should, if you're using DevNet, it should create a key pair and then airdrop you sol. Airdrop you one sol to your key pair. Oh, it says it. Oh, sorry. I don't know why npx is not installed. I mean npm is not installed, so I'll have to re-download npm. Then I can run the code again. I mean, I can run it again, the command again. But for now, I'll have to reinstall it. Remember, this is how you install npm using Windows, the winget install shneeze.fm. Now that's done, you have to activate it on your shell using the expressions. You can use the link I showed you in the previous video, where if it gets an error, you can activate the shell using this command. Once you're okay, now you can download the node. Let's give it a minute to load. Yeah, now it's okay. Now you can download node again. I'm sure it's showing we have node version 20.15. Then you can check your node version again just to confirm it's 20.15.2. So now you can run npx srun create key pair. Make sure you get the spelling correct of your .ts file, otherwise it will bring back an error. It takes a minute. Give it a minute, guys. This is why I was saying it might bring an error, because I've already done it. But okay, now don't worry if it says fail to find bindings and everything, but it should create your key pair. You can see my current balance is 1, since I've already created it and it has airdropped me. If I'm speaking too fast, you can read what I'm writing. So when you get your key pair, you go to key pair.json, then get your secret key, then go into the .env .example file, rename it to .env. After that, then you can paste your key, secret key into the .env file. For the .env, then you need your secret key, your RPC endpoint, so I'm using the DevNet one, and then your API key for NFT storage. That's the reason I'm not showing you my .env file, how it looks like, because if anyone gets access to my NFT storage API key, they can run a couple of simulations with it, and then I get charged for it. But that's basically what you can do. If I'm speaking too fast, then there's a manual on the README section, so don't worry about it. If I'm speaking too fast, you can just follow the manual at the readme.md file. That's okay. So your .env file is where you can change whether to use DevNet, mainnet, and then you can choose whether to use Helios or any other RPC provider. But I chose to use the free DevNet RPC, or the free mainnet RPC, which is just mainnetbeta.solana.com. Now the next part, according to the README, is to run npm run upload metadata. So if you run that code, it will upload the metadata that you've keyed in the upload metadata.ts. That should run that command and upload your metadata into NFT storage. By running it, before you run it, you have to open upload metadata.ts, key in the details you want for your for your token, and then after that, that's okay. Now if you run npm run upload metadata, it will upload your metadata to NFT storage. Then the next step is to automatically run npx run mint token, which will use the metadata you've uploaded and use the .env file, because it will require a secret key and your NFT storage API key and and your RPC endpoint. So once you have those three, you can run upload metadata, then mint token. Once you do that, it will mint your token and you can view it in your in your Explorer. But because I've already done it, I'm just showing you the steps. Now the last step is essentially to run, because there's a specific script that is not available here. It's called the liquidity pool.ts. So once you run the liquidity pool.ts, it just requires a couple of things, which is your wallet, secret key, and your token address for the specific token you're creating the token market ID for. So once you run the liquidity pool.ts, which is npm run liquidity pool.ts, once you run it, it will create a market ID for you. Then instantly in the same transaction, in the next transaction, it will create a liquidity pool for you after creating the market ID. The best part about it is it only requires 0.3 Sol, aside from the regular 2.7 Sol that is required when creating a market ID on Radium. And after that, your token should be tradable. And for those that will immediately after running liquidity pool.ts, your token should be tradable. And if you're wondering where do you get the liquidity pool.ts script, you can just text me on Telegram. I'll have my link either in the chat. Sorry about that. I got a call unexpectedly. So what I was saying is, if you want the liquidity pool.ts script, you can just text me on Telegram. I'll leave my link either in the description or in the comment section. And for anyone that's looking for a mentor or anything, I'm out for the task. And I have a lot of other tools that you can need in your Solana journey. I have a pump fund bundler bot. I have a couple of stuff, so if you need anything on Solana, you can look for me. And it was nice working with you guys. If you need a specific video tutorial, you can just recommend it to me, specifically on Telegram, because I'm usually there full time. So that's basically it. I'll leave this here for you guys. You can just read and look at the commands that I've already run on the screen. And with that, I'd like to bid you guys goodbye, and I look forward to working with you guys. It was a nice couple of videos. I'll be back maybe with, let's say, the pump fund bundler bot video, which will come out in a few days. I'm terrible at I'm terrible at editing, if you've not noticed, but I'll try my best and get that for you guys. And thank you for the support so far, for the couple of views you guys have given me. It was risky starting this, but I'll be alongside you guys. So for those who will be thinking about if it's expensive or not, you need to build some trust. I'm working with a couple of guys who are paying in installments, but it's not the best method for me either way. But you can just text me on Telegram, and we'll agree to something. Then we won't be enemies or anything. So let's meet once again for the pump fund bundler bot, and cheers. See you guys next time.